Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace side mirror glass on a Honda CR-V. Remove the mirror housing trim carefully by prying at the tabs with a plastic tool. Disconnect any heater wires and gently pry out the broken glass. Clean the mount, test fit the new glass, and apply adhesive per product instructions while aligned. Reconnect wires, snap housing back in, and let adhesive cure fully before driving. Start by powering off the vehicle and folding the mirror in if possible. Use a heat gun on low to soften adhesive for about 20 seconds and protect plastic trim. Pry at the mirror edge with a plastic spudger, lifting small sections until the glass releases. Remove remaining adhesive and clean the backing plate with isopropyl alcohol. Keep screws and clips organized so reassembly is simple and quick. Apply a thin bead of mirror-safe adhesive around the mounting surface, avoiding electrical contacts. Hold the new glass aligned to guide pins and press it onto the backing plate until clips engage and you hear a click. Reconnect any heater wires and check mirror adjustment functions from inside the car. Allow adhesive to cure per manufacturer directions, typically a few hours, and avoid folding the mirror until fully set to ensure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.